Quick video, I will show you how to turn off motion blur on your AOC monitor step by step. Let's get straight into it. Start by pressing the joystick or menu button located on the back or bottom of your AOC monitor. This will open up the on-screen display menu, often called the OSD menu. Using the joystick, scroll to the game settings or game mode section. The exact name might vary depending on your AOC monitor model. Now look for an option labeled motion blur reduction. Sometimes it's just called MBR. Once you find it, select it to open the settings. Change the settings from on to off, then press OK or push the joystick inward to confirm. That's it, motion blur is now disabled. Now, why you should turn it off? Turning off motion blur can improve visual clarity during fast-paced games. It may also unlock other features like adaptive sync or MPRT mode depending on your monitor model. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to turn off motion blur on your AOC monitor. I hope you liked the video. That is it for today. Thank you for watching.